Let me show you your simple way to always stay on top of all of your company's contracts and subscriptions. With this app, you always know what's running, what's ending, and what needs your attention. In this video, I'm going to show you every feature of the app, step by step. The first time you enter the contract management app, the app is completely empty. But you can create demo data with just one click. Now you have a lot of demo contracts in different stages, so you can test the app in full range. Let's at first have a look at the overviews. What you can see here are the contracts which need your attention, so the contracts which reaching their deadlines. To review them, just click on one of the contracts and you can see all the details and documents which are linked to the contract. What you can do here is edit the contract if something has changed. You can cancel the contract if you don't need it anymore, or you can replace the contract if you have a new one. Below that, you have an overview of all the contracts which belongs to your account. You can also review them via clicking on them. Here you have the same options as we just saw before. To add a new contract, just open the form. Here you just need to enter all the details to register a new contract. What I have entered now are all the details about the contract. The contract number will be calculated automatically, with whom the contract is with, which type of contract it is, a few notes, how much the contract is costing, the date of the signing, the start date and the end date. And what I have configured here is how many months in advance I want to get notified when the deadline is ending. So 2 months before the 27th April 2026, I get notified via email. Of course, I can also add some documents which belong to the contract. As soon as I have saved the contract, I get the chance to review all the details. I have everything in one place, centrally and digitally stored. I can edit them, cancel the contract, or replace it. Additionally, to my overview on the home page, I have different lists. At first, I have a list of all the contracts. Here I can review all the contracts which are stored in my app. Secondly, I have the chance to go to the list with all the accounts. So this is a list of all the companies I have contracts with, so all the companies which are registered in my app. If I want to register a new company with which I made a contract, then just click on this button and fill out the form for the company. Last but not least, I want to show you the admin area. As an admin, you have a place where we centrally stored all the actions you need to manage the app. At first, you can add yourself as an admin, you can manage app users or add additional admins. You can delete all the demo data which we created in the first step. So as soon as you want to use the app productively, you can get rid of all the demo data with just one click. And you can maintain the drop-down lists in the form to add a new contract, so the contract types and the cancellation modes. Just enter the list and customize the items to your needs. Even though you have right in the app an overview of all the ending contracts which need your attention, you will always get notified by email, so you don't need to check daily if there is a contract which is ending and needs your attention. You will always get notified and you can rely on those notifications. As you can see, this app is perfect to store and manage all your contracts. You will never forget to cancel a contract again, and you will always know which contracts needs your attention. Now you know how easy it is to track all your contracts and subscriptions. If you need support, have any questions, or want to know what else is possible, our skybow team is here to help. Just get in touch for a free demo or more information at any time. Thanks for watching and happy contract tracking.